Hey guys, thank you for coming to my page. I know you were probably expecting, some long text about IT asset disposal. I thought I'd deliver this message in video format instead. Here at Centrix IT, we're performing ITAD all over the world every day. Recent example comes to mind. We're performing, 150,000 asset disposal. I think it's 6 different projects going on in Malaysia, Tokyo. I think some in China, obviously some here in the States as well, part of a larger project. But anyways, with all the hardware refreshes that go on every day, people moving to the cloud, etc., there is always assets that need to be disposed of and need to be disposed of securely. Given all the breaches and data and security concerns within every single organization, this is something that should be taken seriously and something that we do take seriously and perform, like I said, all over the globe. So all the certifications being HIPAA compliant, that falls in our wheelhouse. We have all the project managers and logistics managers to take care of small and large scale IT asset disposal projects. And so what I've done is I've included a marketing slick within this blog post where you can check out a little bit more around how we do this, and would love to schedule some time with you guys if you have a project at hand or something coming up where you'd like just to discuss how this would look for you and your organization, and how we can perform this on a massive and or minimal scale given your environment. So feel free to connect with me, comment here on this blog post. Let's start some engagement, some conversation around this practice, and look forward to speaking with you soon.